In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana tutorial for beginners, how to manage projects with Asana. 5 minutes. First, open your browser and go to Asana. If you're new to Asana, create an account. Otherwise, log in. Start by entering your email address, click Continue, then type your password, and select Log In. In a moment, you'll land on your Asana homepage. From here, create your first workspace item by selecting New Project. Asana gives you two clear paths. You can use a template, which is great if you want a ready-made structure, or you can create a blank project for full control. Let's go with a blank project so you can see the essentials. Give your project a clear, descriptive name so your teammates recognize it at a glance, then click Continue. Next, choose how you want to view your project. List is perfect for to-dos, Board offers a Kanban-style flow, and Timeline is helpful for schedules. Pick the one that fits your work style and click Create Project. With the project open, start adding tasks. Keep task titles short and action-oriented. Open any task's details to manage it more deeply. In the Details pane, assign an assignee from your team so ownership is clear, add a due date to set expectations, and include subtasks if the work breaks into smaller pieces. Subtasks are ideal for checklists that roll up to the parent task. When you want a personal view of everything on your plate, head to My Tasks. This area consolidates the tasks assigned to you across projects, helping you prioritize your day. Take a moment to explore the Asana interface. Notice how sections, filters, and search help you find what you need fast. Back in your project, look to the top right and click Customize. This is where Asana really adapts to your process. You can add forms to capture requests consistently, set up rules to automate routine actions like assigning tasks or moving them between sections, and create custom fields to track things like priority, status, or effort. Add only what you need right now. You can always refine later as your workflow becomes clearer. That's it. You've logged in, created a project, chosen a view, added tasks, set assignees and due dates, built subtasks, reviewed your work in My Tasks, and tailored the project with Customize using forms, rules, and custom fields. You're ready to manage projects confidently in Asana.